Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acorns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app or visit the Acorns website. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Click on Next to proceed. You will need to provide some personal information. Enter your full name as it appears on your identification. Input your date of birth to verify your age. Provide your residential address, including city, state, and zip code. Next, enter your social security number for identification purposes. This information is required to ensure compliance with regulations. After entering your information, click Next to move forward. You will be asked about your employment status. Select the appropriate option regarding your current job situation. The next step involves answering a few financial questions. These questions help Acorns assess your investment profile. You'll provide information about your annual income and net worth. Once you complete this section, click Next to continue. Now, you will choose your investment portfolio. Acorns offers a set of curated portfolios based on your goals. Take a moment to review the options available. Select the portfolio that best aligns with your investment preferences. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. You'll then be asked to set up your funding account. Link a bank account for easy transfers. Input your bank details as prompted. Once the bank information is entered, verify the account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.